forget what is environment, and sometimes consciously and unconsciously as well as making those bad habits which totally make us to neglect what is environment and why environment should be clean around us. Since this drive is being done in Bogmalo here, I don't know if many of you have noticed how beautifully nature works. When the monsoons come in June, you will suddenly see slowly the sand disappearing from this beach. There will be no beach at all. I don't know how many of you have noticed it. There is no beach at all. Come August 15th, around August 15th, the process starts. The sea, from the sea itself, it throws back the sand to again recreate the beautiful beach. And this happens all along the coastal line. And I have seen it happening in Bogmalo. What a lovely way to understand how nature works in its own wonderful way. But what are we humans doing? What are you and I doing to protect the very environment which sustains us? Today, the Coast Guard is in the forefront. The entire country, the entire world is in the forefront of protecting our environment and particularly our oceans. What do we see today? People think by littering or throwing something out at sea, that thing is gone, it is buried in the ocean. No, it comes back on the beach, it comes back to land. It already pollutes your water, it already destroys the environment that is necessary for the marine life, and then you have all sorts of problems happening. Today plastic is such a menace. It is not only happening on land, it is not only happening as we litter our garbage on the highway sometimes or along wherever we can, but we throw it in the water, and our marine life and the entire quality of what is available underneath the ocean is being affected all over the world. Sometimes we have seen so many oil spills happening. Of course, it happens accidentally, but sometimes our ships as well, at one time it was thought that they can just throw something out at sea. Nowadays it is being monitored, and I think one of the biggest role played even in this direction is by your Coast Guard. I compliment you for that. But any movement to succeed, any particular thing to work in society, it really needs the involvement of each one of you. It is not enough only to have a function, remember Environment Day now, and forget it the next moment. We have to remember it every moment. We have to make it a habit. Why is it that you and I, when we go abroad, we observe all the rules? You will not